14 colors, one funnel. This is going to be fun. Hello my creative friends, Olga Sabi here and welcome to new acrylic pouring video. Let's experiment today. I want to try to create a spiral funnel ripple with the colors of the rainbow. Not so long ago, I did this rainbow also with the funnel ripple technique, and I did it a bit differently. So I layered colors in my funnel horizontally, and it turned out beautiful, but it didn't come out, the colors didn't come out really in the order of the rainbow. It was a little more random. So today, instead of layering colors in my funnel horizontally, I actually want to layer them vertically. So here I have 14 colors ready, 2 colors for each one of the rainbow plus white, and I'm gonna be working on this 12-inch diameter round Cradle wood panel. Let's see how it works, and without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I am gonna add some white. I was thinking to do white or black base, and I went for white because it will help my colors stay bright. I'm worried that the black might just create too many shades, and I really want this painting to be vibrant, rainbow vibrant. And now let's start adding in those colors. I am so excited. I seriously can't tell you how much, because this is something so new, so cool, might turn out so perfect. So I added a little bit of white down there as well. And I'm gonna go first for a round of these colors, and then I'm gonna go for a round of these colors. And I'm gonna try adding them in sort of a circular motion. Not all the colors one on one. Probably gonna add very, very little. Oh, my hand is shaking. So at first they all, of course, gonna blend in too much, but I really hope that later I will be able to maintain the separation. How's it going there? Yeah, I think we're good. Don't see any paint coming out, and I actually don't even see it because I'm looking from up high. All right, first round is done. Let's go for a second one. And now I really, really hope that I can actually create that separation. The reason I'm adding, I have pairs of color instead of just one color, or my hand is sliding down a little bit into white. That's okay. So that when they come out of the funnel, the colors are not too flat and they're actually shades of color inside. Okay, my hands are completely down in white paint, but I think maybe that's even better. Will be easier to hold the cup flat, the funnel flat. My gosh, it's shaking so much. What's up with me today? See how the colors stay sort of separate as I'm pouring them in this wheel. Okay, so that was second. Should I go for white? Yeah, let's do white. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of white after each round, after 2 rounds actually. Okay, so back to the first row of colors. The wider funnel is to the top, the more separation I get for the colors. And I can feel that my hands are sliding down again. And see, for my darkest color, for blue, indigo blue, and for violet, for the pear color, I mixed a very light color because I don't want these colors to dry too dark. My gosh, it's not that easy to hold the silicone funnel. Oh, I see that I'm losing some paint. Okay, please stay flat. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward this process for you guys. see that my orange is sinking a lot. It's definitely more dense compared to the rest of the colors, so okay, I'm going for my last round. Alright, that looks super duper cool in the funnel. Now I'm gonna start doing my ripple. I really hope that that paint that already escaped is not going to affect it much. Let's do it. Oh my god, it's working! Yes! It is working. I mean, look at that! Oh, I love it! Holy smokes, this is so perfect! And just look at this funnel. It's pretty. An absolute perfection. I do have a few cells, not cells, a few air bubbles here and there, but I don't want to torch it. I don't want to create extra cells. So let's carefully spin it. Definitely have something stuck in here. Get out. Oh my god, what is this? Yikes. I need to fix this real quickly. Okay. I'll touch it up when it's dry and I'm going to stop. This looks like cake. I would literally eat this painting. Oh, I can't believe I was able to maintain all 7 colors. Yes! Hope it's gonna be nice and leveled and it all stays the way that it is right now. And now I want to show you some details because they are amazing. So keep watching. I really love this beautiful lacing. Look at that. And of course, this spiral movement in the design. It looks so much like tie-dye, right? Really, it's just a perfect tie-dye. And you know, I love the spiral movement in the composition just in general. If you remember my chameleon swirls or my open cups, this is something I've been implementing a lot in my paintings. And I think it's definitely adds this special movement dynamic and creates a super interesting composition. I think this rainbow spiral with funnel turned out absolutely amazing. What do you think? How do you like this technique and the outcome? And I have a few more interesting ideas on how to utilize this technique with the color separation and the spinning of funnels, so stay tuned for that. And definitely give this technique a go. A couple of recommendations for that. I prefer to work with thicker consistency for funnel ripple pour. Makes just much easier to control the flow, and especially when you're spinning it. And of course, make sure your surface is perfectly leveled. I will include all the supplies in the description under this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll chat with you in the comments down below. Take care, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!